Welcome to Mind Study Center. I'm Dr. Steve Kachi, child, adolescent, and adult psychiatrist, and founder of Mind Study Center. I began my journey of founding a mental health clinic with the main mission of setting new standards in mental health care. I had spent most of my professional career in academic settings, and my hope has always been to bring the same quality of innovative and scientifically driven psychiatric care to our communities. Many people ask me what drove me to pursue child and adolescent psychiatry. And I share with them, while I was practicing as a general adult psychiatrist, I realized that many of my patients' mental health needs as adults indeed stem from their childhood challenges and untreated psychological sufferings. In fact, up to 1 in 5 children in the US suffer from a mental health disorder, but more troubling, more than half of these children do not receive any type of treatment for various reasons, whether it's the stigma associated with seeking mental health care, or access to mental health care, or basically under recognition of childhood mental health disorders. I wanted to be part of children's mental health recovery and help their developmental trajectories early on in their life. Here at Mind Study Center, we are a multidisciplinary team working together collaboratively. And not only we offer best-in-class clinical care, but we strive for educating and empowering our community. I believe we can best help our patients go through their mental health recovery through a trusting and collaborative relationship, which is based on evidence-based treatments, but also taking into consideration each individual's uniqueness and mental health needs.